Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you, students? Hope you will be fine. What is day today? Today is Friday and date 26th and month June and year 2020. Which period is this? GK period. And topic parts of body. Okay, this is the picture of nose. This is the picture of nose. I have one nose. You also have one nose. I smell with my nose. This is the picture of leg. I have two legs. You also have two legs. I walk with my legs. This is the picture of thumb. How many thumbs do you have? I have two thumbs. I have two thumbs. I have two thumbs. This is the picture of hands. How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have? I have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. I write with my fingers. I touch with my fingers. This is the picture of lip. Okay, do you have lips? I have lips. I have hair. I have brown hair. Okay, what is the color of your hair? Tell me. Next. This is the picture of teeth. I have teeth. The color of my teeth is white. Which part of body? Arm. I have 2 arms. You also have 2 arms. This is the picture of eye. I have 2 eyes. I see with my eyes. I have worksheet of parts of body. This is the picture of Dora. Find out the parts of body and color.